Hello, I'm Bob Cohen, your GetSetup guide for using PowerPoint for powerful presentations. PowerPoint is Microsoft's popular slide software for making presentations for almost any purpose. Slide presentations are one of the most common ways of sharing information, and knowing what makes a presentation more effective will help you no matter who your audience is. In this guide to PowerPoint, I'll explain how you get PowerPoint with a Microsoft 365 subscription and share some expert presenter tips for making any presentation better. You'll learn how to create a slide, add and edit text, photos, and shapes. You'll see how you can find stock artwork and photos to use right from within PowerPoint. Pre-made templates and designs polish up a presentation and can be used with just a few clicks, and you'll see where and how to use them. During the class, you'll see me use PowerPoint to start a brand new slide presentation from scratch. Then we'll make several slides, use some of the built-in design tools, save them, and then share them in our Zoom meeting so we can all see what it looks like after it's complete. I hope you join me for this session to learn more about this powerful software and start making your presentations more effective.